Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Arsalan. I am the founder of Orbitrack. What's Orbitrack? Let me explain you in a few minutes. First, let me tell you what's the need of Orbitrack. Conventional management of sales staff results in low ROI and low profits in any organizations. Conventionally, the sales management of these staffs results in very poor performance and decision-making processes. So, with Orbitrack, an organization can improve its field management by tracking its sales force and integrated with geographical data. Well, I found about Startup Cup from Facebook and one of my friends, and I expect to get some insights and mentorship from Startup Cup and eventually get some investment.